If you're struggling to find out different healthy things to eat, this might be the option for you. I normally don't have oatmeal for breakfast, but I just came back from vacation and I don't have a lot of things around the home. So I decided to literally raid my pantry, and what we threw together is gonna be pretty good. So this oatmeal recipe is literally just 2 servings of oats, about a cup. I tossed in some frozen berries. I also had some powdered peanut butter, vanilla protein powder. I also put in a little bit of sugar-free syrup. If you are somebody who likes a colder breakfast, you could put this in the fridge and make it the night before and then have it the next day, making it kind of like an overnight oats option. But when it comes to having healthy or easy to make breakfast, this is super simple. It only took maybe like 3 total minutes. Of course, you know, you just have to let the oatmeal cool down. You can cool it down quicker by adding in some of the frozen fruit like I did, and even that syrup and such. The cool thing about this as well is that it's a pretty balanced meal. I don't know the exact macronutrient breakdown, but it does have a little bit of fat from the powdered peanut butter, and I think oatmeal has a tiny bit, not a whole lot, and then the protein powder has a little. If you did want to add a little bit more fat, you could add actual peanut butter to this. But remember guys, when you're thinking about different food options, literally look in your pantry and say, what am I trying to get out of this meal? I want it balanced. Okay, I'm gonna have a little bit of carbs, a little bit of proteins, a little bit of fats, and try to find different foods that have all of those different things. Maybe you're like, I just kind of want a little bit of a leaner meal. So the first thing I'm thinking of that I go for like a leaner meal is having turkey and lettuce wraps with maybe a little bit of like string cheese in it. So it's kind of like a lower carb option. It depends on the day, depends on what you're looking for.